In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a form request sheet using Supabase and Lovable. We'll walk through each step of the process, ensuring that by the end, you'll have integrated these powerful tools to effortlessly manage form requests. So, let's dive in. To start, open up your web browser and head over to the Lovable website. If you haven't used Lovable before, it's a fantastic tool powered by AI that simplifies the way you design web forms. Once there, sign into your account or create a new one if necessary. Now that we're logged into Lovable, our next focus is on designing the form itself. Lovable makes it super easy to create an intuitive user interface. You'll want to use Lovable's AI prompt to design your form. Simply instruct it with something like, create a clean form section for collecting customer requests. Name, email, message, and request details. And just like that, Lovable will help you create a form that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. With our form designed, it's time to set up the backend that will store all the data collected from these forms. For this, we're using Supabase. If you haven't visited Supabase before, hop on over to their website and sign up. You can conveniently use your GitHub account for this if you prefer. Once signed in, you'll want to click on New Project. Here, you'll provide a fitting name for your database, something like Form Requests. Press enter, and now the magic happens. Supabase will begin creating your database from scratch. And while it does take a moment, feel free to grab a quick coffee or take a breather. With our database ready, we need to ensure that we have all the necessary API keys. These keys are essential as they will allow Lovable to communicate securely with Supabase. Keep them in a safe place because we'll need them very soon. Returning to Lovable, the next task is to export the code of the form we designed. You can do this by clicking on the menu icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots, and selecting Export or Download Code. This export function is a fantastic feature as it supplies you with everything needed to integrate the form into your project environment. Finally, we're at the home stretch. We need to connect the newly exported form to our Supabase database. By doing so, every time a user fills out the form and submits it, the data is seamlessly stored within our database, ready for review or further processing. And there we go! You've successfully created a form request sheet using Supabase and Lovable. This setup not only streamlines how you collect data from users, but also efficiently manages it in a user-friendly environment. Feel free to experiment and tweak the design or functionality to best suit your needs. I hope you found the process straightforward and empowering. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next tutorial.